Okay, you will receive an invitation from the organization in your email. So you have to open your email. And your email will explain how to join with Zoom Classroom. Okay, you'll see your message, and then it will give you a link to the Zoom meeting down here where it says step 2, join Zoom meeting, right here. And there's the meeting ID number, there's the passcode. Okay, so click on the link. You can click here. Or click open Zoom meetings. Okay, you can select to automatically join the audio, your microphone by that, or
recording in progress.
all right. The other thing is the chat that you're going to be using. The chat is the next button over. You click on the chat, and chat is basically like instant messaging, texting, kind of sending instant emails. All right, you want to send a message. Right now it's just me in the meeting, but when the class is full and you have like 20, 30 students, this little menu where it says to will show everyone in the meeting, or you can send a message to one individual person. Maybe you only want to send a message to the teacher, and you will scroll down and click to teacher. Okay, as soon as you come into this meeting, make sure that you type your name in the chat. Type your name in the chat. So my name is Mary Smith for now, today. Okay, so you can write something like, hello, my name is Mary Smith. Okay, and then you click on this little button here. Looks like an airplane, looks like an arrow. Click to send. Or you can press the enter button on your keyboard. Okay, and then I have a record of you coming to class. This is just another way for us to double check your attendance for class. Okay, maybe your name didn't show up in the participants for some reason, but if you type your name in the chat, we can give you credit for coming to class today. Okay, so that's that with the chat. So this is the Google website, the general one before you sign in. You'll see on the right, it says Gmail. That's how you get your email. And then a little farther to the right, you will see 9 little dots. It says Google Apps. Google Apps, 9 little balls, dots, circles, whatever you want to call them. Click on that, and that will open a menu. You look at the menu, it shows the different programs for Google. Okay, so there's Google Gmail, Google Drive, Google Classroom. Those are the 3 that I use the most, so I put them at the top and move them. All right, Google Classroom. Websites, YouTube videos that I share, books that I like to read, information, PowerPoints, all kinds of stuff. Also in Google Classroom, you can find the classwork tab where you'll find the homework and all the quizzes that I give, they'll be here. The quizzes close after 7 days, so they're not open indefinitely, but you can always go back and do the previous homework. So there's some homework from before the past session. You click on that homework, assign that day, and it will open a menu for you to access the homework and enter your answers. Okay, I usually give you some instructions like what's your name. Okay, and I give you a picture, photo explaining an example of what you have to do for the homework. And then I give you the examples 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You write your answers here. Number 2, I don't know, whatever. I can't see the answers, right? 4, 5, right? 6, and 7. I would write my answers here. And then the second part, it gives you instructions, right? WH questions and answers for number 2 to 3. Number 1 is already done for you. So number 2, I would write, what is he doing? And then answer would be he is cooking. Okay, number 3 would be where is she driving? Something like that. She is driving to work. I don't know. Period. Okay, and then you click submit when you finish answering the questions in the space, and then I have a copy of your answers. Okay, that's basically how you do the homework through the Google form, which you will find in Google Classroom. Okay.